Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an interesting video for you guys. I'm gonna be reviewing one of my favorite palettes that I've been, using a lot lately. So maybe it's new to y'all, but I have been using this, so I kind of want to post my thoughts about it. It's the Ace Beaute Oceanic Palette, and oh my goodness, this has been like my go-to ever since I got it for the past month. If you've never heard of it, it's like this completely blue-green eyeshadow palette, and blue and greens are like usually my favorite colors to use on my eyes. So when I saw this, when I first heard about it, I was like, I need that in my life. And yeah, like the eyeshadows are just super impactful. I'll put like a picture of the swatches that I did. Just bear in mind that they're not the best swatches. I'm not that good at doing swatches, but anyway, still, if you want an idea of how it looks on the skin, that's pretty much it. But yeah, I mean, as you can see, there's like lighter shades, lots of shimmers, but also lots of mattes, so you can do a complete look with just this palette, which I really like. And yeah, I just never seen anybody do this before. It's like really different and unique, and it just stands out, so I knew I had to have it. I'm gonna do a look with some of the shimmers today. I'm gonna be using a technique that I haven't before, but I recently found out about it. I'm just gonna put like a matte black eyeliner like all over my eye and then put the shimmers on top. I've seen that kind of makes them stand out in a different way, so I'm gonna be trying that out for the first time with you guys. And yeah, so let's get started. So first, I'm gonna prime my eyes with the P. Louise base, and I'm just gonna do my right eye for this video, and I'll do my left eye at the end off camera. But yeah, I'm first gonna start off with the P. Louise white base. This is my favorite eye primer to use. Take this new eyeliner that I got. It's from Melt Cosmetics. It's the Ultra Matte Gel Liner. I've never used like a gel liner like this, like in a pot before. As you can see, it's like brand new, but I'm gonna try it out. Sometimes, well, I've heard that these could be actually easier to use than like a regular liner, so I'm gonna test that out today. Let's see if that's true. So I'm just taking like a paintbrush, and I'm gonna do like a giant wing on my eye with this. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do like all shimmers, so I'm gonna take this dark shimmery kind of turquoise color called Marina, and we're gonna put that on the outer portion of the eye. here, it's called Bay. We're gonna put that kind of on the lid, more on this toward the center. And then we're gonna take this light blue shade right here called Bora Bora, and we're gonna put that toward the center. And then for the inner corner, I think I'm gonna go with this shimmery shade called Jellyfish. This dark color right here called Pacific. And then I'm gonna take this one called Turtle and pop that on the bottom in the corner next to that. So I'm gonna take this one called Anemone and pop that right over the last green that we put. And now for up here, I'm just gonna go in with what I'm gonna use as a highlighting shade all over. So I'm gonna do that off camera and finish this other eye off camera as well. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I put on some lashes from AliExpress. I don't know what style they are, but maybe I'll put it in the description later. The lipstick that I'm wearing, I have this lip liner from Alamar Cosmetics. It's in Dulce, I believe is the shade. And then the actual matte liquid lip is Animal Cookie from Menagerie Cosmetics. And then the highlight that I'm wearing is Rodeo Drive from Ofra Cosmetics. So I put that here, and I put also a little bit of that highlight on the top just to cover up any white that was still peeking through. But yeah, so that is the final look. Let me know if you guys like it. Yeah, let me know your thoughts about Ace Beaute. Like, I really enjoyed this palette, so I'm excited to try more of their stuff. And I recently also found out that they're based in Katy, which is like not far from here at all. I'm in Houston, so that was pretty cool, and that's probably why I got the palette so quickly when I ordered it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.